Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So today we're going to make a football. So let's delete the cube, get rid of the camera. First off, let's add an icosphere. Next off, we need to change subdivisions to 1. Okay. Next we need to go to the modifiers tab and add a bevel. We need to change it to vertices and the amount to 0.4, 0.3, 0.35. Oh, there we go, 0.35, it looks about right. Hit the apply button, boom. Okay, are you with me so far? So next what we want to do is add 2 materials. One is going to be the white, which is there. One is going to be whatever colour you want. Okay. Next what we want to do is hit the tab button. Select faces by hitting number 3. Select the pentagons, which is the 5-sided ones. Go to select similar, polygon side. So as you can see now, we've got all the similar ones selected. Okay. Now what we want to do next is select the material and hit assign. So we can just see that there. So we've got the white. Select the other hexagons. Go to select similar, polygons, and just assign. Okay. So now we've got the black and the white, or whatever color you want to see. Now what we need to do is select all. So hit A and then E to extrude. We want to come over here and change it to extrude individual. Okay, so we grab this handle and then we just bring it out slightly, so we've got the gaps in between. Now what we need to do is go to the transform menu. So we hit N. We need to go to transform, which is what it's on. Mean crease, change it to 1. Need to tab back into object. We need to add a modifier, which is the subdivision. Change it to say 3, whatever you want it. Change that to simple. If you don't change it to simple, it'll just be these round parts here. Change it to simple to bring it back to the hexagons and pentagons. Okay. Next, we need to add another modifier, which is called cast. Now we need to change the factor to say 0.9, so it gives us a circle. And then we can right click, shade smooth. Now with the colours, you can just change them to whatever you want. If you're like a blue team, you could have the blue. If you're like a pink team, you get the idea. And then if we go to the render view, we can just chuck in a plane, shift the ball up. I'm going to change it to cycles, and there we have our ball. Let's just change our lighting down. And there we have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will upload all this to the website, which is blendercubed.co.uk, where you can see lots of other tutorials. It just means it's all written out for you. If you don't want to follow the video, you can just download, or you can copy the text and then do it in your own time. Yeah, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Ta-da for now.